Welcome to We Learn, that is Virtual Learning Network. Today, we are going to talk about the guidelines for assignment and exam preparation, that is, whatever you should know before assignment submission. The topics that will be covered during this session are importance of assignment, guidelines for assignment preparation as given by IGNOU, mandatory details present on the assignment, information required on the cover page of assignment sheet, what one should not do in an assignment, important things to know before writing IGNOU assignments, assignment tips, and how to prepare for an examination. Importance of assignment. That is why assignment submission is important. Assignment submission is required for all programs offered by IGNOU. It is required because it has 30% weightage of total marks obtained during the session. It is a pre-preparatory effort by you for the forthcoming exam, and it gives you an in-depth knowledge about the subject that is gained during the research of the subject you are preparing. Guidelines for assignment preparation as given by IGNOU. As you know, there are two sessions of IGNOU, June session and December session. The assignments that are to be submitted should be on time for both the sessions. The question paper for the assignments and the submission dates can be obtained from the official website www.ignou.ac.in. So you should keep on checking the official website so that you can get an update about the dates as well as the question paper. Handwriting should be very good, neat and readable. Do not use typed assignments because it will not be accepted. You should always see that your writing is what can make you stand ahead of your competitors. If your handwriting is not impressive, no examiner will take the pain to know what you have written in the pages. Your handwriting will be judged like the index of your writing. It will be very important for gaining marks. A thin register or white sheet of A4 size can be used. Allow the margin of 3 to 4 inches on both the sides of the pages, and there is no need to leave blank pages anywhere because it is not eco-friendly to do that. Use any one color ink pen. You can use black, blue, but never use red ink pen. The assignment are to be submitted in course-wise fashion and as per the instructions of the study center or the partner institution. Do not send the assignment through email. It will not be accepted. Clarification regarding marks, remarks in the assignment will be dealt as per the instructions of the study center or partner institution. Learners should do the assignment work from home and not during the practical or theory sessions or during the counseling session. The assignment should be submitted during the official time of the concerned study center or the partner institution you visit. Late submission will not be accepted on any account. After evaluation, the learner can get their assignment back from the study center before written theory examination. So your assignment can be used as your important notes for your written theory examination. So while you are preparing your assignment, you are actually preparing for your written theory examination as well. The mandatory details which should be present on the assignment are your name, that is the name of the student or the learner, your enrollment number, that is the number you are registered with, the program title, the course title and the course code, the date of the submission and your signature. The assignment should also have the assignment code number. You should always attach acknowledgement receipt copy along with the assignment. Get back acknowledgement or the receipt while submitting your assignments. Attach a photocopy of the question paper along with the assignment after the cover page. The question paper should be pertaining to your assignment and not any other question paper which you have not answered. The information that is required on the cover page of assignment sheet are program title, enrollment number, course code and title, name, assignment number, address, study center or partner institution code, name of the study center, the place where you are signing the assignment, and the date of the submission of the assignment. What one should not do in an assignment: copying word by word from the IGNOU book, which you should never do. You should do lot of research. You should make a draft of your assignment before actually start writing the final assignment. This draft will tremendously help you in avoiding scribbling and in the submission of incomplete assignment. Never be in a hurry. Always plan your assignment submission and never forget to put the question number, that is the correct question number. This will help you in gaining more marks than the people who have not put their question number. The important things that you should know before writing IGNOU assignment. Get a very good understanding of the topic. Ironically, the students of IGNOU seem to be more concerned about where to fetch the assignment or how to get rid of the tension known as assignment than to know about the topic in detail. So, if you have learnt about the topic, if you have researched about the topic, half of the problem will be solved. Even if they obtain the assignment from any external source, then also your original assignment will be taken into consideration. Never use very complex words because it will make the examiner use dictionary. Some students of IGNOU write very uncommon words meant for editorials of prominent English newspapers under the impression that seeing these words, their examiner will be able to fathom the degree of knowledge that they have in the topic they have written assignment on. But the fact is that more the content compels referring to a dictionary, less it becomes in marking. If you have to use the same word over and over again, you may write its synonym, but the synonym too should be common in use. So you should avoid using technical, very complex terms that you have not explained earlier. Make an end to your assignment with logical conclusion. You are not the only one who has submitted the assignment paper. There are thousands more. So, in order to lessen the burden of your examiner and impress him or her, it is always better to end your assignment with a logical conclusion. Your concluding paragraph will not only prove to be a great time saver for the examiner, but will also help him or her judge you better and reward you accordingly. The assignment tips. The cover page of the assignment should be as per the guidelines which we have discussed earlier. Do not make your assignment multicolored. There are many students who use red colored or dark blue colored pages, which makes the writing unreadable or illegible. Avoid using channel file as they are very tough, they do not bend, so it is very difficult to sign them. Instead, use threads in the file so that it is very easy to turn and one can see what is written towards the margin. Lastly, let us know about how to prepare for an examination. Read all course material provided by IGNOU and try to solve the self-assessment exercise given in each unit of the IGNOU books. Go through the last 5 years question paper of both the session from the site www.ignou.ac.in. Make a list of the important questions blockwise. Do a lot of research. If you have not understood any topic, go to the internet and read about it. Start making concise, point-wise notes of each important topics or questions. After full preparation, you can take a self-mock test, keeping a stopwatch, so that you can assess your speed and your recalling capacity. Always plan your exams, always plan your assignment submission, because the person who failed to plan plans to fail. And above all, do not panic and relax. Thank you.